Need to browse without saving your history on your device? Google Chrome's Incognito Mode is designed for exactly that, and you can open it in just a few seconds whether you're using a computer or your phone. In this video, I'll show you the fastest ways to open Incognito Mode in Google Chrome and explain what it actually does. Let's begin with the desktop version. Open Google Chrome on your computer. Click the three-dot menu in the upper right corner of the browser. From the menu, select New Incognito Window. A new dark-themed Chrome window will open, confirming that you're browsing in incognito mode. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, there's an even quicker method. On Windows and Linux, press Ctrl plus Shift plus N. On a Mac, press Command plus Shift plus N. This shortcut instantly opens a new incognito window from anywhere in Chrome, making it the fastest option if you use private browsing regularly. Now, what exactly does incognito mode do? When you browse in an incognito window, Chrome doesn't save your browsing history, cookies, site data, or information you enter into forms after you close the session. However, your internet service provider, employer, school, the websites you visit, and your network administrator can still see your online activity. Incognito mode provides local privacy on your device. It doesn't make you anonymous online. Now let's look at the mobile version. Open the Google Chrome app on your phone. Depending on your version of Chrome, you may see an incognito option directly on the main screen. If it's available, simply tap it to open a new private tab. If you don't see that option, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the app. Then select New Incognito tab. Chrome will immediately open a private browsing tab, and you can continue browsing without saving your activity to the device once the incognito tabs are closed. Whether you're temporarily signing into another account, shopping for a surprise gift, or using a shared device, incognito mode is a quick way to keep your local browsing session separate from your regular one. For more Google Chrome tutorials, browser tips, and productivity guides, be sure to check out the next video. Thanks for watching.